If alternative measures fail to reduce crypto carbon emissions, the White House advised eliminating the usage of energy-intensive consensus techniques. A study on the relationship between distributed ledger technology and climate change has been made public by the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy. The office concluded that there are a variety of interactions between crypto and the environment. Mining can have a favorable effect on grid stability and renewable energy development, but it can also make environmental justice issues worse because of greenhouse gas emissions and other considerations. In light of this, the office advised the administration to think about forbidding the use of proof of work as a consensus mechanism. Crypto, a risk to the environment? In response to President Biden's executive order on cryptocurrencies issued in March, a research titled Climate and Energy Implications of Crypto Assets in the United States has been released. In order to promote responsible industry regulation, the president issued a directive to more than 20 administrative officials and agency heads asking them to submit research reports and recommendations on various crypto-related matters. According to the OSTP's assessment, crypto assets could impede larger efforts to achieve net zero carbon pollution compatible with U.S. climate pledges and aspirations. It specifically mentioned how Bitcoin and other blockchains with a proof of work (POW) consensus mechanism consume a substantial amount of electricity and, in some places, contribute to noise, water, and air pollution. In total, 0.3% of annual global GHG emissions are caused by Bitcoin and other large-cap POW networks. In order to assure the widespread use and responsible development of digital assets, the paper contends that federal government action is necessary. One suggestion is for federal authorities to work with states, the cryptocurrency sector, and other stakeholders to create environmental performance guidelines for the usage and advancement of crypto asset technologies. These requirements would focus on mining operators' low energy, low water, low noise, and clean energy usage. In the event that these approaches don't work, the OSTP recommended using congressional or presidential action. The article stated that Congress might propose passing legislation to restrict or outlaw the use of very energy-intensive consensus techniques for crypto asset mining. Do you have proof of stake? A proof-of-stake consensus mechanism for the Bitcoin network has been proposed by CFTC Chairman Rostin Behnam in the past. Chris Larson, a co-founder of Ripple, contributed $5 million to a campaign in March to support the transition. The Bitcoin community has long opposed this change, arguing that POW is necessary to keep the network sufficiently decentralized. Ethereum, however, disagrees. Next week, the network will go through a similar change that should cut network energy use by 99.5%.